AirPods Max, so they've been out for a while. I actually just got them today. Got them in black, obviously. Did a quick little unboxing, see if they come up over here. I wish I had another camera so I could angle this better, but oh well. So you open the case, you pull them out of the case. Apparently they're just supposed to connect instantly. Oh yo, let's go. I don't know why they think it's silver though. So yeah, I'm gonna go connect onto that. That's what I love about AirPods, just so simple, so easy. You don't need to worry about anything. Okay, the spatial audio, that's pretty cool as well, so let's quickly show that. That's cool, they have like engravings of the letters, so there's R on this one. You probably can't see it because this is buzzy, it's so transparent, it's almost as if I don't have it on. Like, feel it on there, this is pretty heavy. Here as if it wasn't on me right now. That's transparency mode, okay. They're loud, bro. I can't hear anything. I can't even hear myself. I think I'm speaking to, oh, that's cool as well. They have the AirPods feature where when you take them off, the music will stop. I'm assuming when you put it back on, it'll. Yeah, so as soon as you put them back on, they'll start up again. So that's cool. Not bad. I love the material on them. So yeah, that's my initial impressions. Insane. I know I'm gonna test them, delete them out a little bit. Be great for uni. So yeah, I'll test them out a bit more and maybe there'll be a review soon. So, peace.